So just a quick little Holley sniper tip. See, I got sniper on there on my Pontiac 400. So I put new gaskets on. I got the copper gaskets for the headers. Big tip for Holley is no exhaust leaks. And today I went back and I decided, check the tightness of the header bolts. And I got a quarter turn out of each one of the bolts on this side, which is where my O2 sensor's at. So, and Dick came in to make sure everything's okay. But yeah, that's one big thing. So even if you think they're tight, go back and check them just to be sure if you're having issues with your sniper. So just a real quick little tech tip for sniper. Make sure you don't have any exhaust leaks. So thanks for watching.